tumbled leather. Yo, what's going on, everybody? I'm back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today I wanted to take a trip down memory lane. I wanted to get a shoe, for one, that I haven't reviewed on this channel yet, which is a Jordan 9. And I wanted to get a shoe from our childhood or our past, right? So these are the Jordan 9 Space Jams. Now, funny thing, everybody remembers the Jordan 11 Space Jams. That was the most iconic shoe from that movie. At the end, he puts the Jordan 11s on. They're all patent leather, it's shiny. But everybody forgets that this shoe was definitely in that movie, and it had a short stint when he was practicing with the squad. So I wanted to give this shoe some love. I wanted to get it and then just kind of go over it real quick just for nostalgia purposes, all right? Before I get into breaking the shoe down, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the channel. Thumbs up the video, share the video with your family and friends, all of that stuff that everyone else says in their videos. Please do that here. It really helps the channel grow, and I'm seeing that growth. We're gonna be doing a giveaway here soon. I got some stuff I wanna give away. I got some duplicates of shoes, and it's heat too. It's Travis Scott's, all that stuff. So make sure you guys keep following, keep tuning in, because we got stuff for y'all, all right? I really love y'all, and I appreciate y'all supporting me on this little journey of mine. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. Go ahead and check out my Reels page. The Reels page is popping. I got other shoes on there that I've reviewed. If you haven't gotten a chance to go through my whole YouTube channel and you want to check my Instagram, it's just a bunch of shoes, and you kind of get like a quick little preview of all the shoes, so you can go ahead and check me out there. And last but not least, make sure you guys follow us in the Discord. The Discord link is in the description of the video. That's right, it's in the description of the video. That is the best place to connect with us and follow us and talk to us in the group. This is where we'll help you find shoes. We'll help you connect with other people that like to trade shoes, buy shoes, all that stuff. So if you want to figure out where I get my kicks from or where I gotten a certain pair from, you can go ahead and check us out in Discord. We got your back in there, all right? So Jordan 9 Space Jams. You know, it's funny, this is my second pair of 9s in my collection. I have the Jordan 9 statues, and then I have this pair. I'm not really a big fan of 9s. I never really was until I got the statues and I realized how comfortable they were. Surprisingly, the shoe is really, really lightweight, and I always thought the 9s were heavy. I think it's just the design of the shoe and the way it looks. I mean, I was just assuming, right, until I got a pair. So when I saw this pair floating around, that made me want to get another pair and then, you know, show you guys what I got. All right, so breaking down the shoe, we got really a Concord flavored Jordan 9. It's really, really close to the Concords. You got that black strip, you got the white upper, you got some mesh on there, but instead of white laces, you get the black, and then you get the white outsole. There's no gum bottom or anything like that, and then there's like no carbon fiber or anything like that. You got your red Jumpman, then you got your red tag in the back, your red 23. So really a simplistic shoe. Definitely got some nice little hits of stuff on it. Okay, so let's take a closer look just to see what we really working with. Okay, so toe box of the 9 I thought was very interesting. Very, very sleek, and this is how the retail 9s are too. I do like that. Very, very good job with these. Very nice. And then you kind of get some sparkles in there in that black mud guard right there. If you guys can see that as I move it, you get those sparkles. Now I know the UNC 9s had that same thing. I didn't know the Space Jams had that, so that was something that I learned. You get flat leather on these joints, so you're not going to see like any tumbling or anything like that. So when these crease, you might see some creases in there. Hopefully it creases on this stitching line so you really don't tear up that toe box, but I do like the way that is. Got your black matted out paint right here on that midsole. Going to the back where that red Jumpman is, you got that. Now, the upper of the shoe has all these little triangles on it. Now, I never really knew what all these little triangles symbolized, but it looks pretty good. Not bad at all. We got black eyelets on this joint. Very, very nice. Very sturdy. Black laces. I thought that was a nice touch. And then you got the mesh here on the tongue. Now, this is a sock liner, so it is into the shoe. You guys can see that. This is kind of inner, like almost like Huaraches. So we've seen that before on different Jordans. So that's not bad. The pull tab in the back, I think, is a little long for these. I've seen them a little shorter than this. I think that's a lot of hang time on these joints, but it is what it is. I like the Jumpman. I think this symbolizes him taking the Jordan brand global, and that looks cool. The stitching on the 23 is very nice. Not too bad there. Outsole of the shoe, you got a lot of different things on here. I think it really symbolizes taking the shoe global. I think this is some Chinese caricatures here. I'm not sure what this is. You guys are gonna have to help me out in the comments. I don't even know what this means. But then you got your red Jumpman down here. There's the 23 behind him. So that's pretty cool right there. So not bad. Medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe, so nothing special. There's no carbon fiber or anything like that on here. So we don't get anything special on these. It's really a basic shoe. Nothing crazy at all. Standard shoe tree comes in these joints. And here is our insole. Our insole is black, got a red Jumpman. And it's really just like a foam, like a hard foam. It's not polyurethane, nothing special. It's not Dream Cell or anything like that. It's just a basic old insole, okay? So the good thing about the shoe is that it's comfortable. So you can kind of put almost any insole in it and it'll feel okay. And I think that's really because how lightweight the shoe is, but it is what it is, all right? So overall, if I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I think the Space Jam 9s are clean. It's really simple. It's not a lot going on to it, and you can kind of wear these with anything. So for construction and materials, I'll give it about an 8.5. I think it's not bad. It fits well. I didn't see any flaws on this joint. And for colorway, you can't go wrong with a black and white shoe. Jordan 9, I give it about an 8.5. So overall, it's about an 8.5 for me, all right? So that's all I got for this one. I hope it was informative for y'all. I hope y'all get a chance to really appreciate the 9s. We gotta bring the 9s back. You know what? We gotta bring the 8s back too. I'm gonna find a pair of 8s and do a video of those, all right? So any questions, hit me up in the Discord. Go to the Discord, link in the description. Hit me up there. Until next time, you guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. Peace.